everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a vlog in my car. I haven't done one in a while, so I decided to have a little conversation with everyone. I want to talk about the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Who is excited about that phone? I'm really excited to get whatever phone I can get. I will get both models. I'm part of Team Pixel. Shout out to Team Pixel. If you're part of Team Pixel, let me know in the comments. But if they send me a device, I'm gonna buy the other one just so I can have both of the phones, because I want to try out both of them. They both actually look pretty good, so yeah, I want to see the difference between both of them. The 6 Pro should be a beast of a phone. It's Google's first time using their own chip, so they pretty much have control of a lot of things on that phone. So it's really exciting to see what they're going to do. A couple days ago, Today is Tech released some videos, photos from the Google Pixel. I'm going to link that video there. I think that's his name of his channel. Y'all can watch the video and see the photos that he actually got, from his source. So check them out. The cameras are looking good too. They finally changing the lenses on the hardware on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So, you should be able to get, with better hardware, the software they normally do, you should get some great pictures. Google is always known for their photos, so I don't think that will change. It's great to see what they will come up with. Also, I want to see what the videos will be like, because Google is not known for great videos, but right now I'm on the Google Pixel 5a. Y'all let me know. It's shot in 4K at 30, and it's on a window mount that is pretty beat up, so y'all let me know how it looks and how that sound too, because I'm just using the mic straight from the phone. So this is the 5a video, so yeah, it looks pretty good by what I'm seeing on the phone right now. So I am excited. Let me know. Let's get a conversation going in the comments. Are you picking one up? Or you excited to pick one up? Or you saying forget Google, you have Apple or something? Y'all let me know. That's that's why I do these videos, to get everybody's reactions and to see what everybody else is feeling about the phone. So yeah, I'm excited about it. And the event is October 19th, so they're going to show it off. I don't know when the phone will be released or not. I guess they will tell us when it will release and what the prices are. Some people are guessing the prices online. I don't know. I want to wait until we get the final price from Google to see exactly what the price is going to be. And I do believe that the Google 6 Pro will be probably $1,000. So yeah, you're gonna pay a lot. This is their flagship phone with their chip in there. I want to see what Google will do with this chip on later devices too. So this is their first one, so it might be held back a little bit. But with Android 12, the chip, they're building an ecosystem, and now all we need is the folding phone and then maybe a Google Watch. That would be something else, like a Pixel Watch. Build that ecosystem that Apple has. So yeah, I'm kind of excited being a Google fanboy. So yeah, it's kind of exciting to be having Google on your side and just trying the Pixels out, because the Pixels are fun to use as a phone. Like I said, I have the 5a and I also have the 5 in my hands right now. So the 5a is filming it. The 5 is right next to me in my car. So I'm definitely excited about it. The 6 is supposed to be like a 6.2 inch screen, 3-inch screen, and then the Pro is like 6.7 or 6.8 inch screen. So it's going to be a big phone. Man, it's definitely gonna be nice. So y'all stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely be covering that phone. I don't know what other phones I will begin. I seen that Vivo phone. I might want to pick that one up. the Pixel Fold, if that ever drops. I don't know. I'm also looking at the Xiaomi M11 or M11T or 11T. I think they dropped the Mi in there. That one looks pretty interesting too, so I might try to get that phone or import it in some kind of way. But y'all let me know how this video is. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to give y'all an update, and y'all could go check out the photos from Today is Tech, or to Tech is Today. I think I don't remember the man's channel. I'm subscribed to him, but I don't remember his name of his channel. But y'all let me know if y'all gonna pick it up. If you like this video and this vlog, let me know in the comments. Should I do more vlogs from the car? That would be great too sometimes. You know, I like doing these videos because it's just sitting there talking and chatting it up. And this light takes on forever. But, you know, I'm definitely excited about the 6 Pro and the Pixel 6. I love the colors of them. I think the size is going to be great. I don't know about the shiny back that I seen on one of the videos either, but we'll definitely find that out. I'm just excited. So hopefully y'all like this type of video. I like driving in my car, going around, just listening to her too. She is a beast though. Look, then the BMW gets in my way. Come on, bro, get out of my way. But hopefully y'all like this type of videos. If y'all do, let me know in the comments. If you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6 Pro and any other upcoming tech. Also, if y'all want to hear more of the vlog or more of the car, let me know too. She just sounds like a beast, man. Until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out.